Let's talk about the Swiss employment reference. It's a document with a lot of hidden rules.
Right at its heart, there's a huge conflict. Does it need to be honest or does it need to be nice?
So on one hand, it's got to help you land that next job. But on the other, it has to be true.
And that tension? That's where all the legal drama happens. Let's break it down.
Okay, first up, what legally has to be in every full Swiss reference? It's got to cover the basics: who you are, what you did, and of course, how well you did it. But some things are definitely left out. Your home address, for example, doesn't belong in there. Now for the really gray areas. What is an employer actually forbidden from saying? This one's a big deal. So can your boss mention that you were sick? Well, it depends. Take this case. A teacher was out sick for 10 months, and the school put it in her reference. But the court said no, it wasn't relevant to her overall job performance and had to be removed. How about this one? An employer wrote about some irregularities found after an employee left. The court shot it down. Why? Because it's way too vague and just makes you look suspicious. The main takeaway? Vague, negative comments are a no-go. Everything has to be crystal clear. So when truth and kindness go head-to-head, which one actually wins out? Well, the courts are pretty firm on this one. The truth always comes first. Always.
Here's a perfect example. An employee was fired for ignoring mandatory company health rules.
The reference stated exactly why he was let go. And the court? They said that was perfectly legal. And this is so important. It protects the old employer and gives the new one crucial context.
All right, let's quickly cover some must-know rights to wrap things up.
Let's say you spot a mistake in your reference. Is there a time limit to get it fixed? Believe it or not, you've got 10 years, a whole decade to ask for corrections. And what about the signature? I mean, who has to sign it for it to be legit? It needs a real, handwritten signature from your manager on official company paper. No exceptions. In the end, your reference is your story. The goal is to make sure it tells the truth. Kindly,